Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add your Zilch card to Apple Wallet step by step. So step 1, open your Zilch app and make sure that your card is activated. And you will need the digital version of your Zilch card to proceed. Step 2, you can tap the card icon inside the app and look for the option that says Add to Apple Wallet and tap on it. Step 3, and your iPhone will automatically open your Apple Wallet and now show a preview of your Zilch card. And then you can tap Next to continue. Step 4, accept the terms and conditions and then wait for the card to be verified. You may you may receive an SMS or in-app notification to confirm the process that you are making. Step 5. Once it is verified, your Zilch card will now be added to your wallet and it now available for Apple Pay. Step 6. You can now use your Zilch card for contactless payments via your iPhone or Apple Watch. And now, your Zilch card is ready to use with Apple Wallet. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.